Today is Friday, January 5th. This is the 1966 Cadillac neutral safety switch from my friend Paul in Washington. The unit has been completely disassembled. There's a full restoration. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set showing the functional validation test under power. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the unit to power. And we have this light bulb here, and we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on when we go in the appropriate position, and it does so. And also we'll check the neutral positioning as well as the park positioning. And we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on again, and it does. Okay. And the switch is free flowing with no obstructions whatsoever. Clicks appropriately in each of the locations. And this is for my friend Paul in Washington. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 1978 for the Cadillacs. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the Tilt and Telescopic Steering Columns, power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as these neutral safety switches. Today is Friday, January 5th. Thank you very kindly.